Welcome to day one of AI Automation Fundamentals. Today, we're building the foundation for modern AI systems. Traditional automation follows rigid rules, but AI automation adds intelligence, allowing systems to understand and adapt. Most people think AI is just a chatbot you talk to, but AI agents take it further by evolving from a tool you use into a digital assistant that works for you. While a standard AI waits for your next prompt, an agent is designed to think through problems and achieve complex goals independently. If you give it a high level objective, like organize a marketing campaign or plan a multi city trip, it doesn't just give you a list of ideas. It breaks the task into steps, researches options, navigates different software, and solves obstacles in real time without you holding its hand. It's the shift from AI that answers questions to AI that executes projects, moving us away from simple prompts and into a world where technology reasons through the how so you can focus on the why. Everything runs on servers, computers always ready to respond, and they communicate using APIs. Think of an API as the digital equivalent of a restaurant menu. It's the essential interface that bridges the gap between you and the kitchen. Just as a menu lists exactly what dishes are available, how you need to order them, and what will eventually arrive at your table, an API defines the specific data a system offers, the precise way you must request it, and the exact format, like JSON or XML, in which that information will be delivered. Without that menu, you'd be shouting into a dark kitchen with no idea what's cooking. With it, you have a standardized, reliable way for two completely different pieces of software to communicate and exchange information seamlessly. It's the hidden connective tissue of the modern web, ensuring that when you click a button, the right data moves from point A to point B every single time. The brains of this operation are LLMs, large language models, which function as massive engines of linguistic intuition trained on nearly the entire breadth of human text. By processing billions of pages of books, articles, and conversations, these models learn the deep statistical relationships between words, allowing them to predict language patterns with incredible accuracy. Instead of just following a rigid script, an LLM calculates the most logical next step in a sentence, giving it the eerie ability to summarize complex topics, write creative stories, or even debug code. It's essentially a high powered pattern recognition machine that has internalized the structure of human thought, providing the foundational intelligence that allows AI to understand our world and communicate back to us in a way that feels remarkably natural. It is important to remember that no single AI is a one size fits all solution because each model is engineered with its own unique set of strengths and specialized capabilities. Some models are fine tuned for creative conversation, excelling at storytelling and fluid, empathetic dialogue, while others are built for deep analytical heavy lifting, crunching through massive datasets or complex logical proofs with ease. You also have models optimized for real time web searching, acting as live bridges to the current internet to provide up to the minute information rather than relying on a static training cutoff. By understanding these distinct profiles, you can strategically pair the right brain with the right task, choosing a poet when you need inspiration, an analyst when you need precision, or a scout when you need the latest news, ensuring the output isn't just fast, but perfectly suited for the goal at hand. To use these in your own tools, you'll need an API key. Always set spending limits and keep your keys secret. Function calling lets the AI use tools, like checking a real time database or sending an actual email. Finally, RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, lets the AI search your specific documents for accurate answers. Instead of just keywords, vector databases like Pinecone find information based on its actual meaning. By combining these building blocks, you'll build workflows that feel like magic. Tomorrow, we start building.